Hello, garden lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier source for elevating outdoor spaces. Today, we embark on an exploration of a gardening technique that seamlessly blends practicality with aesthetic appeal. The art of raised garden bed design ideas. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. For those seeking to elevate their gardening experience, both literally and figuratively, understanding the nuances of this approach is paramount. Let us begin by establishing a clear understanding of the concept at hand. Raised garden bed design, at its core, refers to the construction of planting areas that are elevated above the existing ground level. These structures are typically enclosed by frames made from various materials, such as wood, metal, stone, or composite materials. Unlike traditional in-ground gardening, raised beds offer a contained environment with customized soil composition and improved drainage. The design aspect encompasses not only the structural integrity and material selection, but also the shape, size, and strategic placement of these beds within your outdoor space to maximize both functionality and visual harmony. A well-conceived raised garden bed design considers factors such as accessibility, sunlight exposure, and the overall aesthetic of your garden, ensuring that these elevated planters become integral and attractive features of your landscape. Daitonan, decision to embrace raised garden beds, is often driven by a multitude of compelling benefits that cater to both the novice and the seasoned gardener. Firstly, enhanced soil quality is a significant advantage. By filling the raised bed with a custom blend of topsoil, compost, and other amendments, you create an optimal growing medium, free from the compacted or nutrient-poor native soil that may exist in your garden. This controlled environment fosters healthier root development and vigorous plant growth. Secondly, improved drainage is inherent in the design. The elevated structure allows excess water to drain away freely, preventing waterlogging and the associated risks of root rot and fungal diseases. This is particularly beneficial in areas with heavy clay soils. Thirdly, raised beds offer better weed control. The defined boundaries and the use of fresh, weed-free soil significantly reduce the intrusion of unwanted plants, making maintenance less arduous. Furthermore, extended growing seasons can be achieved. Raised beds warm up more quickly in the spring, allowing for earlier planting, and they can also be easily covered in the fall to protect plants from early frosts, extending the harvest period. From an ergonomic perspective, raised beds offer easier access for planting, tending, and harvesting, reducing the strain on backs and knees, making gardening more enjoyable for individuals of all ages and physical abilities. Finally, raised garden beds offer design flexibility. They can be constructed in various shapes, sizes, and heights to fit any garden space and aesthetic preference, adding structure and visual interest to the landscape. How to decorating your garden with raised garden beds for visual appeal. Integrating raised garden beds into your landscape. Design offers a unique opportunity to enhance its beauty and functionality simultaneously. The key lies in thoughtful placement, material selection, and the incorporation of complementary decorative elements. Consider the layout and flow of your garden. Arrange raised beds in geometric patterns, such as linear rows or rectangular blocks, for a formal and organized look. Alternatively, create curved or tiered beds to introduce a sense of dynamism and visual interest. Pathways between the beds should be wide enough for comfortable movement and maintenance. The materials you choose for your raised beds play a crucial role in their aesthetic integration. Natural wood, such as cedar or redwood, offers a classic and warm appearance that blends seamlessly with most garden styles. Stone or brick beds provide a more formal and permanent feel, while metal beds can introduce a contemporary or industrial touch. Consider painting or staining wooden beds to match or complement your existing garden furniture or architectural elements. Vertical gardening elements can be incorporated alongside raised beds to add height and visual complexity. Trellises attached to the sides of the beds can support climbing plants like tomatoes, cucumbers, or flowering vines, creating a lush backdrop. Companion planting not only benefits the health of your plants, but can also enhance the visual appeal of your raised beds. Interplanting flowers with vegetables can introduce vibrant colors and textures. Edging and pathways surrounding your raised beds can further define the space and enhance its aesthetic. Use materials such as gravel, mulch, paving stones, or low-growing ground covers to create clean lines and visual separation. Finally, consider incorporating decorative accents such as small statues, bird baths, or solar lights near your raised beds to add personal touches and enhance the overall ambiance of your garden. The goal is to create a cohesive and visually appealing space where the raised beds are not just functional growing areas, but also integral and attractive components of your garden design. What constitutes the best materials for raised garden bed design? The longevity, functionality, and aesthetic of your raised garden beds are significantly influenced by the materials you choose for their construction. Several options are available, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. 1. Wood is a popular choice due to its natural beauty and relative affordability. Cedar and redwood are particularly favored for their natural resistance to rot and insect infestation. However, even these durable woods will eventually degrade over time, typically lasting between 10 to 20 years depending on the climate and soil conditions. Untreated pine is a more budget-friendly option, but will require regular sealing or painting to prolong its lifespan. 2. Metal, such as galvanized steel or aluminum, offers excellent durability and resistance to rust and corrosion. Metal beds are often sleek and modern in appearance and can last for several decades. However, they can heat up more quickly in direct sunlight, which may affect soil temperature and root health, particularly in warmer climates. 3. Stone and brick provide a very durable and aesthetically pleasing option, often lasting for many decades. They offer a more formal and permanent feel to the garden. However, they can be more expensive and labor-intensive to install. 4. Concrete blocks or cinder blocks are a budget-friendly and durable option. They are easy to assemble and offer good stability. However, their appearance can be somewhat utilitarian, although they can be painted or faced with other materials for a more decorative look. 5. Composite materials, made from recycled plastic and wood fibers, are a low-maintenance and long-lasting option. They are resistant to rot, insects, and fading, and often come with extended warranties. While they can be more expensive up front, their longevity can make them a cost-effective choice in the long run. Ultimately, the best material for your raised garden beds will depend on your budget, desired aesthetic, the climate in your region, and the expected lifespan of the beds. Consider these factors carefully to make an informed decision that aligns with your gardening needs and preferences. To further ignite your creativity, let us explore top 10 distinct raised garden bed design ideas, each offering a unique blend of functionality and visual appeal. 1. The classic wooden rectangular bed. A timeless design constructed from cedar planks, offering ample planting space and a natural aesthetic. Its simplicity allows it to blend seamlessly into any garden setting. 2. Tiered vegetable garden. Multiple rectangular beds stacked at varying heights, creating visual interest and maximizing planting space, particularly useful on sloping terrain. This design also improves accessibility for different plant types. 3. The herb spiral. A space-saving design where herbs are planted in a spiral formation, creating microclimates suitable for different species. This design is not only functional but also a striking focal point. 4. Keyhole garden. A circular raised bed with a central compost basket, allowing for efficient nutrient cycling and water retention. This design is particularly beneficial in arid or semi-arid climates. 5. Woven willow beds. Rustic and charming, these beds are constructed from woven willow branches, adding a natural and whimsical touch to the garden. They are best suited for informal garden styles. 6. Gabion wall planters. Modern and industrial, these beds are formed by wire cages filled with stones, offering excellent drainage and a unique textural element. They are highly durable and can be customized in various shapes and sizes. 7. Pallet wood raised beds. A budget-friendly and sustainable option. These beds are constructed from repurposed wooden pallets. They offer a rustic charm and can be easily customized with paint or stain. 8. Corten steel planters. Sleek and contemporary, Corten steel develops a beautiful rust-like patina over time, providing a unique and durable raised bed option. Their weathering steel composition offers longevity and a modern aesthetic. 9. Vertical pallet garden. While not strictly a bed, a repurposed pallet hung vertically with planting pockets offers a space-saving solution for growing herbs, strawberries, or flowers, adding a vertical dimension to your garden. 10. Stone or brick encircled beds. Offering a formal and permanent feel, these beds are constructed from carefully laid stones or bricks, creating a sophisticated and durable planting area that can become a lasting feature of your landscape. The realm of raised garden bed design offers a wealth of opportunities to enhance the productivity and aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space. By understanding the fundamental principles of construction, material selection, and decorative integration, you can create elevated planting areas that not only yield bountiful harvests, but also serve as captivating focal points within your garden. Thank you for joining us today on Garden Decor Designs. We trust that this comprehensive guide has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration for your own raised garden bed endeavors. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more expert tips, innovative design ideas, and the latest trends in home and garden decor. Happy gardening!